Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have ASUS ZenScreen MB16AC monitor and the driver for this monitor is not working after updating your Mac to Mac OS Catalina, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix this problem, you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Now this will take you to the ASUS website, and here you can see the model number MB16AC. Scroll down and under driver and utility, click on this down arrow and select Mac OS, and here you can see it tells you MB series USB monitor app for Mac OS Catalina. So if your operation system, that means your operating system, is upgraded to Catalina or after, you can go ahead and upgrade and install this app accordingly. So click on download and then go ahead and run and install this application, and that should go ahead and help you to fix the problem. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.